Go, go.
No, it's just
Okay, it's just.
we haven't.
Oh, don't look at it. Oh, wait, I've heard not to do that, right?
Oh,
Are you
no.
not supposed to do it with your phone?
I thought.
It could break your phone.
Really?
I don't know.
If it breaks
I
your
don't
phone, Jared, you're out of luck.
Yeah.
I
I'm
know that you
responsible.
can do somebody
Okay.
on Facebook wrote that you can do it in selfie mode. So and then look down at yourself, and then you should be able to see it above that. Whether or not that's true, I don't know.
Or there's also a
Internet,
possibility
not
of it
always
going up
true.
to the side.
Right.
So, like, if you're doing it like this.
Yeah. You allegedly could see it that way.
Just don't want to be doing anything that people are going to make fun of me for. Being like,
I don't make fun of anything until something happens fun.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
oh, well, you know what? It's not even cloudy. That is
I know.
crazy. And it's still bright, so it's not getting covered all the way yet.
Yeah.
This guy loves it. He absolutely
Oh
loves it.
my gosh, dude.
I'm sorry.
Cool your horses.
Oh my goodness.
Some idiot.
Thank you.
Some idiot people.
My favorite.
He
Are
feels like
they?
he looked like
All
I feel like he drank a few when this got crazy.
I've
You wanna
actually
check?
got
I'm good.
an idea for a.
Okay, don't be looking at it.
I'm not looking at this.
I've got an idea for a tattoo on my back once I reach my weight goal.
Okay, cool. That's a good goal.
What's wrong with him?
What's wrong with him?
Absolutely loving
Oh
life.
yeah.
Dude, that guy needs to chill out. He's gonna be
I wonder,
Still sunny.
I'm actually wondering how my dogs will react. I've got 2 dogs at home. I'm wondering how
Shouldn't be a little bit darker.
Yeah, I think it's if it gets darker. Then it's
It'll get
Some,
darker.
on
once
our
it's-
bus
once
driver
the
on the way here
sun's
said it's
completely
gonna get so
blonde.
dark the streetlights are gonna come on.
Oh, really?
That's
Well, I
gonna-
think that like right now is supposed to be the like ideal time.
What's
Right.
wrong with this guy?
someone should slap him. I swear to God.
He's getting excited.
Oh, he's
His first time.
oh, this is-
What do you say?
Turn the day into night,
That guy needs to chill
and,
out.
and I think the worst part is I actually have friends who are that crazy.
Right.
Yeah.
I have no friends like that crazy.
Oh
This
my
guy
goodness.
loves it.
I know.
Oh, my. Oh,
Well,
that,
now at least I know it's confirmed he's doing it.
Wow!
There you go.
Oh.
We're in.
Ran, baby.
crazy day.
Well,
Bring on the darkness!
More?
Jared, what? Dog, what?
Bring on the darkness.
Oh, I thought he said bring on the.
Alright,
dog
so you
day.
guys are here to work, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought he said dog.
How long does it last?
It says 2 minutes.
No, I think Sarah said you're supposed to be here at 1.
Yeah.
It's starting to get brighter now.
We
It
have
does right before it gets dark. I
Our
think.
bus,
We
the
have
one of the
like
buses were blocking us
this
out of getting us out. It took a while.
A on the departure.
Jared said that bus was.
What's wrong with this idiot?
You go over there and say you're an idiot. We'll see what happens. He'll kick you.
Okay, I'm recording this.
It's hot today.
I think it's past.
Oh no, that was the longest one.
My eyes are not blind.
So is it?
Don't look at it.
I look at the sun almost like half the day. My eyes
It keeps
They're,
falling.
they're saying that it's super because of the reflection off the moon, though. It's supposed to be.
And when there's a sliver left, it's very concentrated.
Just be careful.
One time I went
Look
to
through
the
the
doc-
glasses so you can see it.
One time I went to the doctors and I was like, I don't know, a couple of years ago, and they had to put something on. I'm diabetic, so they put something to check my blood or something. They put it on. I was like, my eyes were so fuzzy.
Oh no. Yeah.
I was like going like this. I was
Yeah.
like, I couldn't
What's
see
wrong with
anything.
that idiot? He keeps doing it.
I look-
I'm gonna go and hang out with those guys. Yes, right.
I think-
This
I hope
is
one of those
awesome.
guys slapped him or
What else are you
something.
gonna have?
Right.
Put that on YouTube, Jared. Put it on
That's
YouTube.
what I'm going to do, you idiot. Why, you want to talk something?
No.
Still not getting dark.
It's not too bad on here though.
Is it getting closer?
It's not even it's like brighter than it was before.
Bro, he's getting brighter.
Can I see it? Can I see the glasses?
Careful of what?
Oh. It's weird. Do you know what? Has it changed its direction?
I think it changed direction.
Did we miss it when it was full?
I don't know. Oh my god, you quiet.
No. Did it? Because it was like kind of
I know,
this way,
kind of.
right?
That man better be quiet or somebody's gonna tackle him.
I think it did.
And it's
I
gonna
think
be me.
now it's maybe gonna get bigger, you know? Because
Yeah.
it's going in the other
Can
direction.
you hear him yelling?
So it's probably at the
knows,
peak of his
maybe
yelling.
he's on something. Maybe he's on something.
Oh, like crazy.
Whoa!
Really, it's getting brighter.
It is.
Maybe we missed it.
Maybe it's down south,
Yeah, southern maybe.
south of Illinois.
The most effect is probably going to be.
Or maybe that is it. Maybe it is 90%.
That was how it was looking?
Yeah.
That's how it's going to look.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Did you guys see it? Was it always on the top and to the right?
Yeah.
I've never seen an eclipse before, so
Okay.
I've been inside either sleep.
Well, it'd be dark, but
on
there-
the left
there's no dark.
earlier.
Yeah, it was.
Now it's on the right more.
Yeah, so maybe that's what they were saying when they're like, look at 90% of it. Like we won't see
Okay,
the full
we didn't get
plot.
all
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
won't see the whole thing.
Yeah, I think it's definitely getting bigger, the little sliver.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Go, 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 go.
Hey, the guy stopped yelling. That's a good improvement.
Yeah, I think that means.
I think he's starting to realize,
Wow,
oh,
what a
we missed
beautiful
it.
day.
Oh.
That's nuts.
Yeah, I think that was it.
All right. Well,
Let me see.
My family's down south getting to see it.
and it's Carbondale. Yeah, everybody's.
Yep,
down
it's-
there.
It's down south.
Yeah.
Huh. My friend admitted to
NASA's at
My friend goes to
Carbondale.
Southern Illinois,
Right.
so he's probably.
They were
They
saying that
get
it's-
it. We don't.
that it was because it was supposed to be like perfect weather for it and everything. Yeah, and like that in Kansas City, but they chose to go to Carbondale, which is where I went to school.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Cool.
So I was like, yeah, seeing all these jokers on Facebook, like, I'm going to Carbondale.
Uh-huh.
Man, I lived there for 3 years. I don't know why I didn't do that.
Well, you know somebody who can
Probably.
provide some space for
Right.
you because it's like going really expensive. For
Right.
hotels and everything.
Cool.
All right, guys. Well, let's get back to work.
Yeah, it's over.
Well, it's
Sorry, Jay.